Picture yourself in the 2024 Jeep Compass. The Compass gives you the latest safety technology, rugged capability, and upscale sophistication, all wrapped up in a compact, sporty SUV. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, pre-collision system, intelligent auto on-off high beams, lane departure warning, keyless entry, keyless start, remote engine start, premium sound system, satellite radio, fog lamps. Feel safe and secure when you explore your world in the Compass. Take a test drive today.